Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the auto cutout feature in CapCut special for PC. Right, you can use the auto cutout for remove a background automatically. For example, I'm going to import video that I want to edit and example to the track, and I'm going to remove the background using auto cutout. Auto cutout and scroll down to find the auto cutout. Turn on and you can see it is processing, and so here we go. The background has been removed. It is auto cutout. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.